Hi, I'm reviewing the Benriner Classic Japanese Mandolin. I am trying it for the first time. It comes with all of these instructions. Most of them are in Japanese, but there's some English. And I will show you how it's working. First time around, I'm really impressed and really happy that I bought this. This is a very sharp tool, so I recommend. I have these cut-proof gloves that I'm wearing. Plus the machine, the gadget comes with this little guard. But because I'm clumsy, I'm also using this. And I'll show you how it works. Here is sweet potato that I cut. I wanted it about a 1/4 inch thick. I'm gonna be making some bowls with this and roasting these. So as you can see, these have come out really, really nice and thin. I'm just really happy with this. The potatoes were cut into chunks like this. And I will show you how I use this. Okay, so I've got my piece of potato. I've got my glove on for safety. I take this and I just slice this way. And as you can see, I'm getting these nice pieces. So let me show you again. I got my piece of potato. I haven't tried it on anything else yet, but the potato is working great. And I slice. And here we go, voila, I've got all my sliced potatoes. So this Benriner Classic Japanese Mandolin, I highly recommend it. And it comes with a variety of different blades. And I just got it on the slicing blade. Very easy to use to get the 1/4 inch cut. I just needed to take this screw and screw it. I can screw it clockwise or counterclockwise, and it raises and lowers this part. And that's how you can change how thick you are cutting your vegetables. And then to change out the blades, this is one of the blades that came with it. It goes into this little crevice, and then you just tighten it with these screws. So I really recommend this. Try it out. You'll love it.